back to my channel. So today we are trying to save this cattleya eggs. You know, I have recently bought this one from Orchids and More in Germany, and they have sent it completely without roots, and the orchid is very dehydrated. And at first I thought that she would produce some roots from the oldest suitable or from the new growth, but it has been a month. She has been staying constantly moist in this green moss, and she is not doing anything in terms of root growth, but she is losing a leaf here. The leaves are getting more and more leathery and dehydrated, and I'm getting very worried. So what I will do from now on, it is this is a bit empty right now. I need to add more rainwater, but anyway, just for you to understand, here I put some rainwater. That blackish product, it is some powder from Dr. Soil for plant treatments, and it is a sort of a fertilizer based on biohumus, and that has a lot of very good nutrients. So I put just a bit. I think it has added about 50 ppm to this rainwater. Also I have put about 10 or 20, I don't really remember, of MSU, so really a little amount, and I put about 150 ppm of calcium. This is because this orchid, I am sure it is suffering from calcium deficiency and from nitrogen, but that is our smallest problem, let's say, because the new growth is reluctant in producing roots. Maybe this orchid is one of the cattleyas that produces new roots from a newly matured bulb, so that should mean that this bulb should produce roots, but none of them are doing that. And this one, even though the orchid is completely rootless, this one didn't yet produce its root system, and I saw some root nubbins at the base which are black. She came like that, they did not move no matter what I have done. So right now what I want to do, it is to submerge her leaves in the night time, because that is the moment when cattleya orchids open their cuticles and can absorb actually moisture. Now tonight it is raining outside. Let me show to you how cloudy it is, and right now it is actually raining. So what I will do in the rainy days, during the night time, I will put the orchid outside on my windowsill, not here in the living room, and she will absorb natural humidity like that. But in the days which are not rainy, she will stay oh, and in the daytime she is not staying there at all. She needs to stay in a place where she has about 20 Celsius, very little light, like for phalaenopsis, let's say, and yeah, cooler temperatures, not at all like we have outdoors. And yeah, in the night time she will get submerged with her leaves in this water, something like that, but again with much more water than this. Maybe I will use a bigger container. I will see. It is no problem if I submerge if I don't submerge all the leaves at the same time. It is okay, only that slowly they will get a bit more hydrated, because look at this. Can you see actually how dehydrated she is? She is really bad, and I hope I will manage to save her. I'm sorry I did not done that from the start, so I will be very cautious to provide foliar feeding during the night by submerging in this container with water and fertilizer, and I hope that will pay off, because if she remains in these conditions, she is not going to get any better, and she will die. So right now I need to contact Orchids and More and say that pretty much their orchid is dying. Let me show you something actually, so they don't say that I did not show the orchid not growing. So here it is. She is bare, completely rootless. Here is where I was saying I saw a black kind of root tip, but that one doesn't want to grow. From the new growth we are not getting anything also, so yeah, she is going to die if I don't manage to do something immediately. So alrighty guys, this has been the video for today. I will do updates if I get anything happening, and see you all next time. Bye!